Good evening, all the dignitaries, guests, and delegates present here. On behalf of IEEE CIS Student Branch Chapter and GH Raisoni College of Engineering, I, Samiksha Bharti, feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to all present here. On behalf of everyone gathered here, I welcome you all to this induction ceremony of Startathon. Moving further, I would request Ms. Aditi Bodade to brief us about the Startathon event.
It all starts with an idea, but just like you, there are thousands who have an idea just as unique as yours, or maybe better than yours. You need to make yours stand out. Your product just cannot be fancy rainbow for people to look at, but it needs to be a solution for a certain problem which can be related to by everyone. Startathon is a 15-day startup hackathon. The major goal of this event is to provide a platform for ambitious entrepreneurs to foster open innovations, customize solutions, and bring new startup concepts. Startathon is an amazing opportunity for everyone to win and create community-based startup ideas in many fields. Startathon is sponsored by DevFolio. Hope you all can take away as much as you can from this event. All the very best.
Thank you, Aditi. Now, I would like to give an overview about IEEE and our chapter. IEEE is world's largest technical and professional organization dedicated to advancing technologies for the benefit of humanity. Unlike its name, IEEE now works in several domains which include computing, electronics, mechanical engineering, biological sciences, leadership, and many more. IEEE Computational Intelligence Society is one of the 39 technical societies by IEEE. The mission statement of IEEE CIS is to advancing nature-inspired computational paradigms in science and engineering. Only 5 IEEE CIS chapters exist in India, and we are fortunate to have one at our campus. IEEE CIS SBC GHRCE is a student branch chapter of vibrant IEEE members with the sole mission of promoting computational intelligence technologies that are of social importance and beneficial to humankind. The chapter runs with a mission to promote technological development by bringing people together and a vision to create ample number of opportunities for sharing knowledge, technical skills, and to collaborate and increase the network for a better future. Technology is just a tool, and in terms of getting students to work together and in motivating the students, mentors are the most important personalities. We are profusely elated to have the support of the director of this esteemed institution, Dr. Sachin Untavle, the man of a distinct vision and a fountainhead of illuminating ideas, an idol of knowledge and experience who is an inspiration to all of us. We are also grateful to always have our chapter advisor, Professor Achamma Thomas, who goes an extra mile for helping us. Words alone can't express our gratitude for the guidance, support, and contribution they have made to make this chapter successful. Now, I would request the Startathon team to introduce themselves.
Good evening, all. I am Gauri Mahalle, Executive Committee Member at IEEE CIS Student Branch Chapter and also Event Lead for Startathon event. Wishing you all the best. Thank you. Over to you, Aditi.
Hello everyone. I'm Aditi Bodare, Executive Committee Member at IEEE CIS GHRCE and Event Coordinator for Startathon. Good luck to you all. Over to you, Shrutika.
Hello everyone, I am Shrutika Ponde, IEEE CIS SBC Executive Committee Member and the Event Coordinator for the Startathon. We all are excited to be the part of the Startathon team and help you all. You can contact any of us if you have any questions or concerns throughout the program, and we will happily assist you. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
This is our other backend support team without whom this event would not have been possible. Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower others. Now, I would request Atharv Deodalikar, Chapter Chair, IEEE CIS SBC, to elaborate the timeline and event flow.
Hello, good evening, everyone. So, about the timeline, currently we are on the third milestone, that is the orientation program, which is happening today. And that is your journey starts today. Now, the submission of the business model slide deck is on the day after tomorrow, which will be considered as the round one submission. So, in this round, you will have to submit the slide deck of your business model. The template for the same will be shared with you shortly so that you can start submitting it from tomorrow, and you will get around 48 hours to get it done, and the submission deadline is October 18, 2021. The results for this round one would be declared on October 21, and the round one qualified teams will be eligible for the next subsequent rounds. Moving further, the qualified teams need to make a prototype video of the proposed startup idea and submit it for the round 2 submission. And the deadline for the same is October 25, 2021. The submitted video would be uploaded on our YouTube channel, and it will be available for mass voting for a specific period of time. Now let me tell you an important thing. The 20% of evaluation criteria for round 2 submission depends upon the number of likes, comments you get on your video, and the rest 80% of evaluation criteria would be taken care by the organizers. So it's your responsibility to circulate your video as much as possible to get the likes, comments from people so as to make your submission stronger. Also, the length of the video should not exceed more than 3 minutes. Even if you upload a video greater than 3 minutes, only the first 3 minutes of it would be considered. The round 2 results would be announced on October 27, 2021. Now all the qualified teams from round 2 would be called for round 3, which will be held on October 30, 2021, wherein you need to pitch your startup idea live in front of the jury members by giving the presentation and answer to the questions asked by them. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, Atharv. Now, I would like to call Atharv Khedkar, Vice Chair at IEEE CIS SBC GHRCE, to further elaborate about our Discord server.
So hello and good afternoon, everybody. I hope that everyone has received the joining links for Discord server, right? So once you join, you will get started from here. Okay, so you'll see your name and you will get a very good welcome message. Thanks to me, I've set it, no problem. So after this, as you can see clearly, what you have to do is just go to this rulebook channel, and on this, you have to just click this like button. Once you do this, you will get access to use our server. And on this server, what you have to do is just keep an eye on this announcements channel in the Startathon category. So here you will get all the current announcements that are going on related to this hackathon. Okay. So as you can see here, there are some messages from Atharv. So all the announcements would be done here, followed by all the documentations would be posted in this channel as well. After that, of course, there are, thanks to our sponsors, we have some partner track prizes as well. So these are all the partner track prizes that we are providing. Make sure to have a look at it. And here in the discussion forum, this is your place where you can interact with other fellow competitors, share your profiles and get to know each other. In case you have any queries regarding to this event, make sure to ask your queries in this Ask a Query channel. Here you can make sure you tag the organizers whenever you ask a query, so that we'll get a notification as well. So all you have to do is go @ and just type in organizers and then ask your query further on. So this is a basic idea of our server, and also do make sure to introduce yourself in this general channel. So here you can introduce yourself, where are you from, and you can even share your social media links so that everyone can connect with you, follow you on Instagram, Twitter, whatsoever, and vice versa. So this is all technical and everything. Once you are bored and want to do some time pass, okay, just get some steam off, what you can do is go to this bot spam channel. So maybe you are a dog person or cat, I don't know, I am a dog person. So just go to this bot spam channel and spam as much as you want, we don't care, neither does the bot. Okay, so you can spam, you can post whatever you want here, you can even share some memes which I've done previously. And we have a pet piggy with us. Okay, so you can adopt a piggy and play some general trivia with it, go to battles, etc., and lot of more. I won't be pressurizing much about the piggy, but you can check it out later on this link that I'll provide further on. Okay, and also we also have a music bot. So what you can do is just go to this music request channel, request some music, connect to the music server, and you will be able to hear music in our Discord server. Pretty cool, right? So you get your technical aspects, you get your non-technical, and just blow off some steam. So this is pretty much about the Discord. And one more important thing is make sure to have fun. Of course, you are competing, but do make sure to have fun. And yeah, that's it from my side. So thank you, everyone. And we would be proceeding to Q&A session. So over to you, Samiksha.
Now it's time for question and answer round. This session is open for all kinds of questions. Feel free.
Participants can unmute themselves or they can type it in the chat box.
Hello.
Yes.
Could you kindly give the roadmap of this competition? Like, I joined pretty late.
Do you want the timeline, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Hello, Ujwal. We'll be sharing a presentation template with you all so that you can refer to it and make your slide decks.
Yeah, okay.
About video submissions, that is like you need to upload your video on our IEEE student branch channel, and then there will be a mass voting wherein 80% will be for internal evaluation and 20% will on that mass voting criteria. So accordingly judgment will be done. I think I have answered your question, Prabind.
Yes, excuse me, I'm Prabal. So actually, I've also asked like, how should the video be submitted? Like, in what format? Like, we have to speak, or how should the video be?
Hello. So yeah, actually it will be a demonstration video of you telling your hack, and more details about it would be later on shared on Discord. So you don't need to worry about that right now. Okay.
About the limit of slide deck, Anmol, it's like we'll going to share a template with you, so you did not worry about that. So we'll let you know.
If you cover
So,
all the
ma'am, on
criteria present in the template, then there is no need for you to like specifically mention other things because we have covered almost everything in the slide deck.
Um, Hello.
Yes.
Where can I find the option to which allows me to send messages in Discord? Which option can I have to enable?
You can select whichever channel you want to message on, and there's an option of sending messages at the bottom.
Look, once you have joined, it is possible that you won't be able to send messages, and it's because you haven't given this like on the rulebook channel. So make sure to go to this rulebook channel, and here you click on this like button. By clicking on this like, you agree with the terms and conditions mentioned here, and after this you will be able to access all the messaging channels. Okay, so you are like feel free to message wherever you want. So that's how it's going to work.
And another one doubt. For the first round, what is the requirement for the first round?
You need to submit a slide deck for the first round. So we will provide you the template soon, and you just need to download it and edit it.
Where to upload it?
We will let you know it on the Discord. So stay connected.
Okay. Okay.
And one more thing is, please make sure everyone to just rename yourself to your original names. And to do that, if you have joined through PC, here you can see this small drop down. Just click here and then edit server profile. So here, just keep your original names. These will only change for this particular server and not your global settings. So don't worry about that. And in this server, then everyone would be able to see your name only. And this is a mandatory step that is required from you. So on this drop down, just click on this edit profile, or wherever you see your name here, just right click, and here also you'll see this edit server profile. So both places you can do this thing, and please make sure to do this. Thank you.
Okay, Shruti, your question is that like you are working on a health project, so using blockchain. So basically, you can go through healthcare domain, but if you go through blockchain, you have benefits. So like Deofolio are their sponsors are giving, they have their sponsors. So wherein you can apply for blockchain. There's a particular sponsor named Cello, and there you can apply. So if they like your project or solution for that particular problem, so you have a chance to get a prize over there. So maybe it will be more benefit to you using blockchain, going through blockchain rather than going for healthcare.
We have uploaded all the necessary details, so you can go through it. We have uploaded in the Discord server in season track prizes channel. So before starting your project, we request you to go through it.
And it is not necessary for to show the working model. So just chill out.
So Harsh, both software and hardware projects are accepted. Only like you need to upload a video. So just you can explain it.
If it is possible for you to show a working model, it is okay with us. Otherwise, you can just give us the explanation.
Prizes for the winners are like first prize is 20,000 and second is 10,000 and 15,000 and third is 10,000. So accordingly, this is for the final round. So that's all.
Yes, Anmol, you can use whatever software you want to use for video editing. No, Prathamesh, it is not valid to participate in two teams. You have to participate in only one team.
Any more questions? I guess no, then we shall proceed. I would now like to invite Shrutika Konde, Executive Committee Member at IEEE CIS SBC, to deliver a vote of thanks.
Thank you, Samiksha. Good evening, everyone. As this session comes to an end, I, Shrutika Konde, ExCom member at IEEE CIS SBC GHRC, would like to take this opportunity on the behalf of the entire Startathon team to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone in attendance. I would like to thank our director, Dr. Sachin Untavle, for his generous guidance. I also wish to express my gratitude to our chapter advisor, Professor Archana Thomas, for her unwavering support and guidance. Well, an event like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires forethought and a keen eye for every detail. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues of our student chapter who knows their job and are result oriented. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. Last but not least, the road to success is very difficult, but hard work and determination will see you through. All the best to all the participants for the hackathon. Good luck. Thank you.
Anmol, we will send the slide deck template as soon as by today evening.
I would again request if you have any questions, please ask.
If you have any queries,